Once the emulsion has been removed from the plate, they still need to be cleaned properly. For this I use calcium carbonate and an ethanol mix, so it's 50-50 mix for that. I use gloves because I don't want any oil from my hands adhering to the glass while I'm cleaning, and just common kitchen paper towel. Lay your sheet of glass flat and just make a wad from another piece of kitchen towel. Give your bottle of calcium carbonate and alcohol a good shake. It needs to be quite well mixed. And apply some to the wad. Now from here we can start scrubbing. So basically what we're looking for is a good coating of calcium carbonate on the glass, and you want to get it squeaky clean, and it needs to be some of the emulsion can be, or the remaining emulsion can be quite tricky to get off, and so a good scrub is required. Once the front side is done, just give it a quick inspection, make sure it's clean, and repeat the process for the opposite side. Again, I like to pay a good deal of attention to the corners. That's where you'll find a lot of the old emulsion tends to build up as well, and it can be quite hard to get rid of. Once that's done, you take another piece of kitchen towel, and what we're going to do now is just wipe it clean. Care needs to be taken along the edges and make sure there's no white residue on the edges. And just kind of inspect the plate as you go along. Once I have finished cleaning the plates, I still like to wash the plates afterwards, because even though these are supposedly clean now, there's still a white residue left on the plates, as you can see. So I clean these in running water, so hot soapy water and running water, and then just before use I'll steam as normal.